going to prep my face with the moisturizer. Apply the moisturizer all over your face. Don't forget your neck. Blend in gently. Don't forget your nose and under eyes. A well blend moisturizer gives a clean and flawless base for makeup to stick onto the face. Next, I'm using a lip balm to moisturize my lips. I prefer doing this in the beginning because then it stays moist when I'm going to apply lipstick at the end. Taking my 9to5 Lakme foundation, warming it in my hands. I always first cover my dark circles. Since I don't have a concealer, I don't use a separate concealer. I just use my foundation for a more natural look. And I put it in small dots all over my face. Cover my spots. Don't forget your neck. It's very important for the face and neck to look even toned. Concentrate on the area under your lips and the sides of your mouth. Also apply foundation to give a strong base for your eyeshadow if you're doing any. Take a beauty blender, a cute one like this. Gently dump some water and tap onto your skin. Blend the makeup softly and gently into your skin. Don't forget to blend your neck. I have not used brushes so far, and using beauty blenders is far more convenient for me. If you prefer using brushes, you can. Blend the sides of your nose and your under eyes properly to avoid the foundation looking cakey. I'm taking my compact. You can also use a loose powder if you have one. Setting it with the compact I have for a flawless base which is natural looking and matte. Applying it all over my face with the sponge given in the compact. You can use brushes for this as well. Just make sure to blend it all in, especially the under eye area. Take your kajal or kohl pencil. Apply kajal to the lower waterline. I'm just applying it till the center of my eyeballs and not fully, because I want my eyes to have a fuller and bigger appearance. Taking my bindi, because no Indian look is complete without a small cute little bindi to complete the everyday makeup look. I'm taking these small white earrings. I'm finishing off with the Lakme 9to5 lipstick. There you've got your most natural looking everyday makeup look, which you can use when you go to office.
இந்த வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, friends and family ஓட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy and lots of love from me to you.